let's talk about why strategic decision-making matters. Many believe decision-making is pure luck or intuition. But guess what? It's a skill you can learn. Mastering this skill can truly unlock your potential. It can change your career, personal life, and success. Remember, better decisions create better outcomes, from job promotions to healthier lifestyles and stronger relationships. Next, let's dive into the decision-making process. First, identify your goals. Clearly defining what you want is crucial before making any decision. Next, gather relevant information. Analyze data that supports informed decision-making. Finally, weigh the pros and cons. Objectively evaluate the potential benefits and drawbacks of each option to gain clarity. Now, let's discuss common decision-making pitfalls to avoid. Emotional bias often clouds judgment, leading to poor choices. Beware of confirmation bias, where we only seek information that supports our existing beliefs. And watch out for the sunk cost fallacy. Don't cling to a decision that no longer serves you. Fortunately, there are strategic tools for better decisions. Consider using a decision matrix. This framework helps evaluate multiple options based on specific criteria. Another classic method is the pros and cons list, which organizes benefits and drawbacks clearly. Then there's the if-then approach. Thinking through potential outcomes can guide you to more strategic decisions. Now, let's put your skills into action. Remember, practice makes perfect. Regularly use decision-making techniques to enhance your skills. Additionally, embrace feedback. It's important to seek input on your decisions to learn and grow. Finally, celebrate your successes. Acknowledging small wins boosts confidence and motivation. To summarize, strategic decision-making is a learnable skill that vastly improves your choices. Start by defining your goals, gathering information, and weighing options. Watch out for pitfalls like emotional and confirmation bias. Use tools like decision matrices and pros and cons lists. Practice consistently, seek feedback, and celebrate your progress. Are you ready to unlock your potential? Begin your journey to better decision-making today. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.